going to do a review today of the saddlebags that I've got, and these came from Harley Davidson. They got Harley Davidson written on the side, on the back. Yeah. These, the only thing I say, I haven't got a lock on them. They don't lock. They're quite spacious. I get quite a lot in there. I've got my Oxford lock and stuff in there. When you put them on, you lock it on with this. Pull it out, unlock it. It says a little thing in there, how much you can put in there. And I want to, when you first do them, when you get them, you have to assemble this part. These all come separately. You assemble this part. That's to lock it in place when you put it all on, and that's that little twist lock inside. They're dated. They're pretty much both of the same setup, so I'll only need to show you one lot. I'll show you both sides of the bags. On the sides of these bags, you've got poppers as well, so you not just lock it here, but you can pop them with that as well. You pop that into that, and it does go in. I've not had any trouble. I've had them a few months. Don't affect the riding. I've got more weight in one side actually, and it still don't affect it. Yep. So one thing I will say, you will need to get these. That's what it locks onto. It comes with these, which is what the arm is for. You slide it onto that. It's like a rotating ring. It just locks onto that. The fork locks onto that bit. There you got that. It's exactly the same the other side, but I did need to purchase these. But then I had this rack, the backrest for my wife when she's on the back. This is a good thing as well. To release it, you've got one on the other side. Just pull both of them out and it lifts off. Really easy. This is pretty cool. You have to assemble it as well. It's got Allen keys in the back, Allen bolts in the back, and my wife says it does sit on the back quite nicely. I've moved the little thing there on mine. That didn't come with it, but I've added it. So to put this on as well, you'd need these two. Both for the other side, sorry. You need 4. Like I said, down there you can see the other ring. I had to take my exhaust off to get that one in there. There is bolts already there before they're not just open, so you have to take the other bolts out and then bang, you're in. And also, last thing, your little tool bag, and that also from Harley Davidson. Keep a few bits in there, some tools, some bits of wire, some fuses, the alarm. This is a weird one actually, because a decent one from Bulldog Bash once, but this one's a weird one. You've got these on the top, yeah, so you can undo it with these, but it's got these as well, quick release, and a velcro bit at the top. Now I stuck mine on the back of my backrest because I did have it on the front. I think in one of my videos you might have seen I stuck it there before, and now I've got my camera there, which you can see there, but I didn't move it because of that. It was just handy that my camera fitted there, but it used to bang on the mudguard, so, and mark all the mudguard, so I've moved it to the back. To be honest, excuse me, I prefer it there, and I prefer where the camera is as well. Well, that's all we're going to do today, folks. Thanks for watching.